Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to remove free mode on Facebook account. If you want to turn off the Facebook free mode, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all, open the Facebook application you have in your device and make sure that you have logged into it. Now hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down a little bit and hit on the setting and privacy. Now, here you will see an option of Facebook free mode, but if you don't see any option here, then it might not be available in your country or region. So, if you find free mode option, then simply hit on that and turn it off. So in this way you can easily remove free mode on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.